Here for class 10, chapter 6 triangle. Here we are talking about similarities of the triangle. So what is similarity and what is congruency? First we will clear that concept. As we have seen in 9th standard, we were talking about congruency of two triangles. So means in that what we were doing, if we having two triangles, one triangle as ABC and another triangle as DEF. In that what we were doing, so in that class if our angle A is 35 degree, our one of the angle also as 35 for another triangle. If our this angle is 45 degree, so one of the angle of this triangle also 45 degree. And if we are talking about this last angle, so our this angle also as 100 degree. So in our last class, if we are talking about this two triangle, we were writing that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and we were showing congruency of this triangle, means we were writing that angle E is exactly equals to angle D. Then we were writing that angle B is exactly equals to angle E. And we were writing angle C is exactly equals to angle F. Then we were moving towards another, see, three parts of the triangle, means side. So if this was 3 cm, we were taking this one also 3 cm. Or this one is given to us. If we are talking about this, if side BC is 4 cm, EF also we were writing as 4 cm. And this one is 5 cm, this compulsorily should be 5 cm. Then another three part we were writing that exactly AB equals to DE. And BC is exactly equals to EF and AC is exactly equals to DF. So in last class we were talking about this, and there we were writing that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That was all about congruency of two triangles, but here we are talking about similarities of the triangle. So here what we can do is that here we need not have to take this triangle as same to same like this, but we can take one larger triangle and we can write it as DEF. But first condition is that their corresponding angles are same. Means angle A should be equals to angle D, means this could be 35 and this could be 45 degree and this could be 100 degree. So here we can write this in triangle ABC and DEF. These angles are same. But here the second condition for similarity will be changed. Means if this one is 3 cm, this could be 6 cm. If it is 4 cm, this could be 8 cm. And if that is 5 cm, we can write it as 10 cm. So what second line is saying for similarity? Their corresponding sides are in a same ratio. What it's trying to say is that when you are taking ratio of AB upon DE, so it will be 3 upon 6 and your answer will be 1 upon 2. If you are taking ratio of BC upon EF, means 4 upon 8, your answer will be 1 by 2, as we have reduced this. And when you are taking ratio of AC upon DF, so it will be 5 upon 10, means answer will be 1 by 2. So here what you are showing, here you are showing that all angles are same. All sides are not same, but their ratio is same. And if their ratio is same, means AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF, then these two triangle are similar to each other. Means here symbol will change. You can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now this symbol you will use for similarity. This one is new for you. And here you can prove two triangles are similar to each other by taking these two important conditions.